Today we have a look at the walt.id white label wallet solution, which you can use to enable your users to receive, present and store verifiable credentials, as well as manage DIDs and the related keys, and view tokens from different blockchain ecosystems all in one place. So let's now dive into the wallet and see what you can do with it. Okay, so now I have the wallet up and running. So I just quickly log in. And so far I haven't received any credentials. I just have a few basic DIDs already created. And here we come to the first feature set, which is DIDs and keys. So you can create keys, import and export them directly from the wallet, because at the end it just built on top of the features of the walt.id ssi-kit. And therefore I could just come here and import a key, or take one of the keys and export them. Also with different formats like JWK and PEN. So now let's go back and go over to the DIDs, where you can see that I have 2 DID keys and 1 DID JWK. But I also can come here and just create a new one. And here you see our wide-ranging ecosystems that we support, from key, JWK, web, EPSI, checked, IOTA. And yeah, let's just create a new DID key. And here I go. Okay, so now with understanding that you can manage different DIDs and keys, let's go over to the credentials tab and get ourselves our first credential. And with that, I will just click request credential and I will be redirected to an issuer portal, where I will now select the verifiable ID document and start the issuance flow. Now I have 2 options, and actually here I will use this QR code option and bring up my iPhone. So now on my iPhone I'm also logged into the same account and can now click scan to receive. So I allow access and scan this QR code. And yeah, I want to receive the verifiable ID, so I accept it. And so I have the verifiable credential in my wallet. If I now go back here and actually refresh that page, I will see that I now have my verifiable ID in my wallet. Okay, cool. So now we have the issuer part. Let's go to the verifier. So here I have a verifier portal, and where I can connect my wallet using a verifiable ID, which I just issued myself. So let's click connect wallet using the verifiable ID. Cool. And here again, I have 2 different options. I can either accept it directly via the wallet, or I use again my phone. So pull up the phone again. So here with my phone, I will just scan the QR code, accept the presentation, and there I'm logged in. You can also see that different verification policies were checked, which you can also, if you build an issuer solution, completely configure from custom to predefined policies. Okay, back to the wallet. And next to the flows you have now seen of issuance and verification, which are also all based on the OIDC standard, so using OIDC for VC and OIDC for VP. There's also another option, which is this asynchronous manner of doing issuance and verification, where basically you can send your users just a message which they will then receive in their wallet and they can just accept. So they don't need to go to your issuer portal for receiving a credential or verifier portal for doing a verification. You can just send them a message, they click accept, and that's all there is to the flow. The other thing we can do is view our tokens on different blockchains. So we support a wide range of different ecosystems, from Ethereum, Polygon, Near, Flow. And what you can do is you can add your wallet address, and then you can view the NFTs on the different chains, so the mainnet and testnet. And I have already added one. So I can go here, and as you can now see, my whole collection of different NFTs associated with this address. The great thing is you can make it completely your own. So based on our Apache 2 license and our open source model, you can use our web wallet as is, or customize the style and feeling to match your brand, or take the app, extend it and build your own functionality on top of it, or even use it as a reference implementation and build it completely from scratch using our core infrastructure on which this web wallet is built. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this little introduction. Make sure to click the link in the description to get started using our web wallet. And with that, happy building. See you next time.